Welcome, student. I hope all of you are very fine today. This is your brain sir, and I have a good topics. Dust of Snow of your first flat book, and this is your first poem of your this book. That is written by Robert Frost, and that's very interesting for you guys. So, after watching this video, you must read the book at your home so that you can understand it very good. So, let's start it from the very beginning so that we can understand it. Welcome, guys. Dust of Snow, that is written by Robert Frost. So, we will talk a little bit about the poem. This poem is written by Robert Frost and he is an American writer. There are two main characters in this poem. First one is a writer, second one is a crow, and the third one is there are two stanzas in this poem, and fourth one is there are also literacy devices in this poem. First one is alliteration and second one is rhymes. Let's move on. Welcome, guys. So Dust of Snow. So let's talk something in this picture. Here is a hemlock tree. Hemlock tree means a poisonous tree with a white flower, and writer is walking under the tree and a crow is also sitting on the tree. So my dear friends, the poets give us messages using a very simple incident or happening, and that incident involves which is a crow and a hemlock tree which is laden with snow particles. Poet says that a small incident in life may prove to be a great significance. The poet is upset in the beginning of the poem, but a small incident of falling of snow particles changes his mood totally, and he feels relaxed and gives credit to the beauty of natural incident for saving his day, which was going to be wasted. Let's see the next. Well, guys, and this is your first stanza of this poem. So let's read. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. Yes, my dear friends, in this poem, the poet is talking about a winter days when all the tree tops were covered with snow. The poet was walking under the tree which was covered with snow. This was hemlock tree, and the hemlock tree is usually associated with poison. So this tree can be associated with anything positive. But suddenly a crow came and sat down on this tree, and because of this sudden motion, the dust of snow fell down on the poet like a rain. Yes, my dear friends, rhymes is also written here. A, B, C, D. This is your rhymes. Let's see the second stanza of this poem. Welcome, guys. Now reads the second stanza. Has given my heart a change of mood and saved some parts of a day I had rued. Yes, my dear friends. Now in second stanza, the poet explains exactly in what way the shower of snow had an effect on him. He says it changed his mood. Earlier he had been in a despairing mood, but the shower of snow changed his mood from sad to happy. It made him feel that the day had been complete waste. At least some parts of that day had been pleasant, since it had given him a new experience and got a composition. My dear friends, after that he got a new composition. So let's see the Yes, children, this is your short summary, so listen it carefully. The poet was sitting under the hemlock tree. He was upset as his day did not go too well. Suddenly a crow sitting on the tree shook the tree, and the fine particles of snow from the tree falls on the poet, and it changed his mood from sad to happy, and he starts feeling refreshed. So my dear friends, it was your short summary. I hope you got this, and after watching this video you must read the poem at your home so that you can understand it very good. So my little stars, it's over for today, and see you again in the next video. Till then, have fun and stay at home and save your life. Bye bye guys.